In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove background in Canva mobile app. First of all, launch open Canva mobile application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure your designs is selected. Now, you'll be able to see all of your designs over here. Tap on the project in which you want to remove the background, or instead of that, you can also create the new project if you want. Now you can see over here I've opened that particular project. Now in this project I have this image and I want to remove the background of this image. So doing it is actually very simple. All you have to do is simply tap on the image in which you want to remove the background. Now once you do that, at bottom you'll be able to see the menu. You'll be able to find the options for replace, select, adjust, busy remover, magic studio, etc. What you have to do is tap on this option, background remover, that you can see on the screen. Keep in mind this feature is only available for the Canva Pro user. So if you want to use the background remover feature, for that you'll have to subscribe to Canva Pro. If you have the Canva Pro, the background of your image will be removed. Right now I do not have it, but if you have it, your background will be removed. If the removal is not perfect, you can manually adjust it using the erase and restore brushes. So like this, you'll be able to remove the background. So that is how you remove background in Canva mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.